You're bumping back so much.
Puppy puppies! Come on, Papas. Yeah, good puppies. Come on, Papas. Yeah, good puppies. Oh, Pink bought me a present. Who is that? Yellow, is it?
Red, yellow, blue.
Little blue still there. Oh, the other one's got my other leg right in the stingy bit. Yeah, come on up you come. Fucking hell that hurts. Yeah, little poopers. Oh look, they squashed it. Excuse me. There's no need for that shit, is there? Aye. Aye. They're all on top of it now. Yeah, look. I just do my lace up, dog. Fuck you. Whatcha, whatcha, papas! Whatcha, papas! Yeah, it's the same culprits again, eh? Same culprits again. The yellows have no spars on them.
Yes, they are.
Yellow, my leg, got white, blue. Yeah, will I? What? Frustration. Oh, you can't take it. That's blue.
Yeah, see what I told you about it making indie noises?
Yeah. Little nutter.
Hello, hello, baby kid.
Hello, orange. Fucking hell, he's pretty driven, isn't he, that blue? We'll put the herd in, I'm afraid, Sala.
Why now? Come on, Willow. Come on, pup.
I'll get Mary out, is it?
Come on, Papa. I want to see if Willow can climb up there because, like...
She's a cool one,
yeah. Hey, Puppy. Come on. Come on. Come on, pup. Yeah. You're going to get up. No, it's a little bit too high. Just a bit too high, isn't it? Just a little bit too high.
She constructed a device.
To get him up?
Yeah,
maybe a little... Wow. Do you think they'll climb up it?
What?
Do you think they'll climb up it like that?
Whether it's safe or not is another question. Come on,
Blue. Yellow. Come on, Blue. Come on, Blue.
That's white.
White. Come on, White. Come on, White. Come on.
This way, pup.
Come on. Come on, up you come. Come on. Good girl. Come on.
Look, there's puppies underneath it. I'm filming this size, funny fuck. Red's on her way up as well.
Oh, you're both so clever. Oh,
See if Blue will do it.
you just done it. Blue, Blue. Come on, Blue. Come on. Good kid. Boy. Good boy. Yeah.
Come on, Red. Jeez, jump up.
Go away.
Come on, Papa. Cat. Put them on the floor and direct this one this way, look.
Oh, come on, Red.
Yeah, good girl. She just jumped on my lap.
Hello.
Cat, she just jumped from the box onto my lap.
Somebody else. Okay. Yeah, blue. Yeah. Oh, and red. Oh gosh, don't fall. Don't fall. Yeah, good people. Good puppies. You're gonna go back down? Go back down?
Yeah, good puppies. Good puppies, yeah.
You can do it too, I know you can.
Oh, green will definitely do it.
Oh, here comes orange. Have you
Yeah,
been
you'll
up
fucking
orange?
do it as well.
Come on, little bubble. Come on.
Here comes Willow.
Yeah, yeah. I was just going to chew the nails. Willow! Hey, come on.
Is that Mr. Hanky?
Mr. Hanky's coming. Are you coming?
He's such a solid dog, that one.
Good boy. Come on, all the way up.
He's going to be, yellow's up as well.
Good boy.
He's going to be like, that Mr. Hanky's not going to be a loon cat.
He's not going to be what?
A loon, but he's not going to be no problems either.
Okay.
I reckon.
Oh God, he didn't.
Yeah, Yellow's a good dog, isn't he, Anna? Oh, good dog. After my trousers